I'm going to show you how to attach the flowers to this ring by just using ribbon. So once I had covered this wire with ribbon, there are some pictures to let you see how I did that. I have then attached the ribbon with just a piece of sellotape. And the idea is to put it here and then just twist this around like you would use tape. And to keep it very tight, keep going round. And make sure it's secure. So there you have the first flower attached. And then you can just add more greenery. And keep twisting round again, and it has to be very tight. And I'll keep working my way around a bit. Not the whole thing, just a little bit, maybe even just to here. Here is my flower ring. I have left the ribbon quite long, as you can see, and this is great. It can be used for a bride, bridesmaids, or flower girls. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you'd like to see more videos on flower arranging, please subscribe.